discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Chevrolet Sonic. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, a tachometer, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.